Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dhanushar. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today our subject is about introduction to Python programming. In that our topic is Boolean operators. Mastering Boolean operators. Unleashing the power of logic in search. Introduction. Understanding Boolean operators is essential for effective search. They allow you to combine, exclude, and refine search terms to find precious results. In this presentation, we will explore the power of Boolean operators in search. What are Boolean operators? Boolean operators are words used to connect and exclude keywords in a search. The three main operators are AND, OR, and NOT. Using these operators allows for more targeted and accurate search results. AND operators. The AND operator narrows a search by requiring both keywords to be present in the result. It's useful for finding information that relates to both search terms, leading to more relevant results. OR operator. The OR operator broadens a search by retrieving results containing either of the keywords. It's useful to finding information related to keywords, expanding the scope of search results. NOT operator. The NOT operator excludes specific keywords from the search results. It's valuable for refining search requires and eliminating irrelevant information, leading to more targeted results. Combining operators. By combining Boolean operators, you can create complex search queries. For example, using AND with NOT allows for precious exclusion, while combining OR and with AND expands the refined search results simultaneously. Advanced techniques. Mastering Boolean operators involves understanding advanced techniques like parentheses for grouping, wildcards characters for flexible matching, and proximity operators are specifying the distance between keywords. These techniques enhance the prescience and flexibility of search queries. Real world applications. In real world application scenarios, mastering Boolean operators empowering using the to conduct more efficient and effective search across various platforms, including search engines, databases, and search tools. Understanding this principle is crucial for information retrieval. Best practices. To leverage the full potential of Boolean operators, it's important to use them strategically. This involves carefully choosing the right operators, refining search items, and experimenting with different combinations to achieve optimal results. Common mistakes to avoid. When using Boolean operators, common mistakes include incorrect operator usage, neglecting paternages with for grouping, and overlooking the impact of the operator precedence. Understanding these pitfalls is essential for avoiding such errors. Future of Boolean operators. As such technologies advance, the role of Boolean operators continues to evolve. New developments in natural language processing and semantic search are influencing the way operators are used, shaping the future of information retrieval. Conclusion. Mastering Boolean operators is a fundamental skill for unlocking the full potential of search. By understanding the principles and applications of Boolean logic, individuals can enhance their ability to find relevant and accurate information across adverse platforms. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this is very useful to you, and please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.